The truth is, your body was never designed to stay sick. Illness doesn't just appear out of nowhere. It often builds up slowly based on what we eat, drink, and do every single day without realizing the damage happening inside. For years, one man challenged everything people believed about disease and healing. Alfredo Darrington Bowman made a bold claim that shocked the world. But what if they all share the same root cause hidden deep inside the body? What makes it even more surprising is this. Most people are creating this problem every single day through the foods they eat. Without knowing it, they are feeding the very thing that keeps them feeling tired, heavy, and unwell. But here's where it gets interesting. Once you understand what's really going on inside your body, everything begins to change. The way you eat, the way you think about food, and even the way your body responds to healing. Dr. Sebi believed that the body naturally wants to heal itself. It is constantly working to repair, clean, and restore balance. But it cannot do that when it is overloaded with toxins and unhealthy foods. Instead of healing, the body is forced to fight inflammation, process harmful substances, and deal with waste that keeps building up. Over time, this leaves you feeling drained, weak, and dependent on quick fixes that don't solve the real issue. This is why many people take medication but still don't feel completely well. The symptoms may reduce for a while, but the root cause remains untouched, quietly growing in the background. Now here's the powerful part. True healing doesn't start with medicine. It starts with what you put on your plate. Because the right foods don't just fill your stomach, they actually help your body clean itself and repair from within. When you constantly eat processed, lifeless foods, your body starts to slow down. Your cells become weak, your energy drops, and simple things like digestion begin to feel like hard work for your system. That heavy feeling after eating, the constant tiredness during the day, or even bloating, is not just normal aging. It is often your body reacting to foods that do not support its natural function. One powerful idea stands out here. If the food you eat has no life, it cannot give life to your body. And over time, this lack of real nourishment begins to show in your health. Instead of building strength, your body becomes busy dealing with waste, toxins, and buildup that should not be there in the first place. This is where many health problems slowly begin. But when you switch to natural, plant-based foods, something amazing happens. Your body starts to respond differently. It begins to clean itself, repair damaged cells, and restore balance naturally. These types of foods are often called alkaline or living foods. They come directly from nature, rich in minerals, water, and energy that your body understands and uses efficiently. Fruits like berries, mangoes, and dates, along with leafy greens and natural grains, don't just feed you. They work at a deeper level, supporting your cells and helping your body function the way it was designed to. When these foods enter your system, they help open up your blood flow, improve digestion, and support your immune system. Over time, you may start noticing more energy and fewer health struggles. Another key factor is oxygen. When your body gets the right nutrients, oxygen flows better through your system. This helps reduce inflammation and supports natural healing. And this is why many people who change their diet begin to notice clearer skin, better sleep, lighter digestion, and improved overall health in just a short time. But food is only part of the story. Another powerful habit that supports healing is giving your body time to rest from constant eating. This is where fasting and proper hydration come into play. When you eat all the time, your body stays busy digesting and never gets the chance to repair itself. But when you create space between meals, your body shifts into a healing mode. During this time, it begins to clean out waste, break down old buildup, and remove toxins that have been stored for a long time. This process can make a big difference in how you feel. Drinking enough natural water and herbal teas also helps the body flush out these toxins. It supports the kidneys, liver, and digestive system in doing their job more effectively. Some people notice changes within just a few days. They feel lighter, cleaner, and more refreshed as the body starts releasing what it no longer needs. However, there is a common mistake many people make. They try to heal while still consuming foods that continue to harm their system at the same time. This creates confusion in the body. On one hand, you are trying to detox. On the other hand, you are still adding more toxins, making it harder for your body to fully recover. Certain foods are known to create more buildup than others. Over time, these foods can slow digestion, increase inflammation, and contribute to the internal imbalance that leads to health issues. For many people, simply reducing or removing these foods can be the first major step toward feeling better and allowing the body to begin its natural healing process. Another important part of this approach is understanding the role of minerals in the body. While many people focus only on vitamins, minerals are what truly keep your cells active and functioning properly. Every cell in your body depends on minerals to carry out basic tasks like producing energy, repairing damage, and supporting your immune system. Without them, the body begins to weaken over time. This is why natural foods that are rich in minerals are so powerful. They don't just fill you up, they actually rebuild and strengthen your body from the inside. Leafy greens, fruits, and natural grains provide these essential nutrients in a form your body can easily absorb and use. This makes a huge difference in how quickly your body can recover. Herbal support can also play a role here. Certain natural herbs have been used for generations to help cleanse the body, support digestion, and improve overall wellness. Herbal teas made from ingredients like ginger, elderberry, or dandelion can help the body relax, detox, and restore balance when used consistently. As your body begins to receive the right nutrients, something powerful happens. Your energy improves, your system becomes more efficient, and your body starts working the way it was designed to. This is when many people begin to notice less discomfort, better movement, and an overall sense of lightness in their body. Healing does not always happen overnight, but when you consistently give your body what it needs, the changes begin to add up in a noticeable way. Your daily habits play a bigger role in your overall health than you might realize. Small actions repeated over time can either support your body or slowly work against it without you noticing the changes immediately. Things like staying hydrated, getting enough rest, and moving your body regularly all contribute to how well your system functions. When these habits are ignored, your body can begin to feel the effects over time. Dehydration, for example, can make you feel tired, slow down digestion, and reduce your body's ability to flush out waste effectively. Even mild dehydration can impact your energy levels and focus. Sleep is another key factor many people overlook. When your body doesn't get enough quality rest, it struggles to repair itself, regulate hormones, and maintain proper balance. Over time, poor sleep can lead to increased stress on your system, making it harder for your body to function the way it should. This can show up as fatigue, irritability, or reduced concentration. Movement is just as important. A sedentary lifestyle can slow circulation and digestion, making it harder for your body to distribute nutrients and remove waste efficiently. Even light physical activity like walking or stretching can help improve how your body feels and functions. It doesn't have to be intense to be effective, just consistent. Stress also plays a major role in your internal balance. When stress levels stay high for long periods, your body remains in a constant state of tension, which can affect multiple systems. This ongoing stress can interfere with digestion, weaken your immune response, and make it harder for your body to maintain stability over time. Learning to manage stress through simple practices like deep breathing, relaxation, or taking breaks can make a noticeable difference in how your body responds and recovers. When you begin to take better care of your body, the changes may not happen overnight, but they build steadily over time. Consistency is what allows your body to adjust, repair, and function more efficiently. It's important to be patient with yourself during this process. Your body has adapted to your previous habits, and it needs time to respond to the new, healthier choices you're introducing. Many people expect immediate results, but real improvement often comes gradually. Small progress is still progress, and each positive step contributes to your overall well-being. Paying attention to how your body reacts can guide your decisions. When something feels right, such as improved energy or better digestion, it's a sign that your habits are supporting your system. On the other hand, if you notice discomfort, fatigue, or irregular patterns, it may be a signal to reassess certain choices and make adjustments where necessary. Your body thrives on balance, not extremes. Trying to do too much at once can feel overwhelming and difficult to maintain, which is why gradual changes tend to be more effective. Building sustainable habits is far more valuable than short-term efforts. What you do consistently will always have a greater impact than what you do occasionally. It also helps to create a routine that fits naturally into your lifestyle. When healthy choices become part of your daily rhythm, they require less effort and feel more automatic. Support from your environment can make a difference as well. As you continue building healthier habits, you may begin to notice subtle improvements in how your body feels each day. These small changes are signs that your system is responding positively. Your energy levels may become more stable, allowing you to go through your day without constant fatigue or sudden crashes. This steady energy supports better focus and productivity. Digestion can also improve when your body receives the right balance of nutrients and hydration. You may experience less discomfort, bloating, or irregular patterns over time. Another benefit is improved mental clarity. When your body is well supported, your mind often feels sharper, making it easier to concentrate and make decisions. You might also notice changes in your mood. A balanced system can help regulate emotional responses, reducing feelings of irritability or stress throughout the day. Your body's ability to recover can also improve. Whether it's from physical activity or daily stress, a well-supported system can bounce back more efficiently. As these benefits build, they reinforce your motivation to continue making healthier choices. Feeling better naturally encourages you to maintain the habits that support your well-being. It's important to stay consistent, even when progress feels slow. Not every day will feel perfect, but each positive choice still contributes to your long-term results. Avoid comparing your journey to others. Everyone progresses at their own pace, and what matters most is that you are moving forward in a way that works for you. In the long run, these steady improvements create a strong foundation for a healthier, more balanced life that you can maintain with confidence. One thing to always remember is that your body is constantly adapting to what you do daily. Every habit you build sends a signal that shapes how your system responds over time. When positive habits become part of your routine, your body begins to rely on them. This makes it easier to maintain balance without feeling like you are forcing yourself. It's also important to avoid being too hard on yourself when things don't go perfectly. Occasional setbacks are normal and do not erase the progress you have made. What matters most is your ability to get back on track and continue moving forward. Consistency over time will always outweigh short moments of inconsistency. Your relationship with your body should be based on support, not punishment. Treating your body with care and respect leads to more sustainable and positive outcomes. Listening to your body regularly helps you stay aware of what it needs. This awareness allows you to adjust your habits before small issues become bigger problems. Simple check-ins, like noticing your energy levels or how you feel after meals, can provide valuable insight into what is working well for you. Over time, this connection becomes stronger, helping you make more confident decisions about your health without second-guessing yourself. You begin to trust your body's signals and respond in ways that support its natural balance and function.